My name is Ryder Wingfield. This is my trusty assistant, Salt Wingfield, class of 33. And today we're going to be making Caribbean jerk chicken with pineapple coconut rice. I normally don't wear guayabera when I'm cooking, but I also don't normally make something from the Caribbean. So right now we're gonna roll the lime to make sure all the juice is released. Then we'll cut it in half and squeeze half of it into this cup. Now we're going to be making the chicken marinade. So now we're going to put in the chicken. Next we'll be putting in some olive oil. After the olive oil, we'll be putting in some freshly minced garlic. Then some ginger. Then some soy sauce. After the soy sauce, we'll be putting in some apple cider vinegar. Then some lime juice. Then some honey. Now my assistant Salt will be putting in the allspice. Next he will be putting in the ground cinnamon. After the ground cinnamon, he'll be putting in some thyme and both real thyme and the seasoning thyme. After the thyme, cayenne. After cayenne, he'll be putting in some salt and pepper. Now to mix the marinade, you have to use your hands and mix it around. Now we will be letting the chicken marinate for up to 30 minutes, or for at least 30 minutes and up to 6 hours. So we're going to be cutting the red bell peppers now. We're going to cut them in long strips. Then you line them all up and cut them perfect squares. They just have to be. So now we'll be cutting the green onions. You want to cut off the ends and discard those. Next, you'll be cutting all the onions in very small discs. We're going to do it until about 1.5 inches is left off the ends, and then discard those. And we'll put all of these in the bowl. Now you want to put your chicken in the pan once you know the pan is hot. And after you put the chicken in the pan, you're going to add a pinch of salt and some pepper. And it will take about 4 minutes per side to brown each side. And most Caribbeans use a lot of spices in their food. So now that we've browned the chicken, we're going to take it out and put it on the platter. After we do that, we'll put in the peppers. After the peppers, we'll put in the green onions. After the green onions, we'll stir it. We'll be stirring it for 2 minutes. Welcome back. Now we'll be putting in the coconut milk. And the rice, and stirring them for a little while and then you bring it to a simmer. Now since it's at a simmer, we're going to add in the pineapple and stir it around for a little bit. And after we add the pineapple and stir it around, we're going to add the chicken. Cover it with the top for about 25 minutes and turn it to low. Now that the food is finished cooking, we will serve it on the plates. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Wacky Wilder's Caribbean Flavor. For fish and touches, we'll be putting a little bit of onion and lime